Today I want to talk to you about 5 simple tips that can drive more views to your live streams after they've ended so you can create more views on your channel overall. Let's do this. Tip 1, the biggest tip I can give is make sure that you plan ahead. You have to ask yourself, why would someone watch your live stream after it's already ended? A lot of times people make live streams and they're living in the moment, but they aren't thinking about the replay value. So think about creating a script or bullet points that can help you stay super focused so that people who come see the stream after it's ended will find just as much value as the people who were watching it live. Tip number 2, don't let the audience in the live chat while the stream is happening dictate the discussion. I've seen a lot of creators do this where they'll be paying so much attention to the chat that anytime a question comes up, they feel the need to answer every single question, whether or not those questions relate to the topic you're covering that day or not. Using things like questionnaires that you can create ahead of time for free makes it easier to control that conversation. I'll leave a link at the end of this video showing you exactly how to make your own questionnaires using Google Docs for free. Tip number 3, limit the length of your live stream. Sometimes live streams can go really long, and if your live stream is 2 hours, 3 hours long, just seeing that timestamp on a live stream is enough to make someone think, I'm not gonna watch this, that's an awful long time to pay attention. Keeping your live streams down to a digestible length for the replay can be super important and helpful for getting people to watch something later on that they may have missed when it was actually streaming live. Tip number 4, create chapters. In YouTube, we can actually chapter our videos and create timestamps so that anyone who clicks on those timestamps or chapters can be taken immediately to that portion of your video just to listen to the thing you were talking about then. Make sure you write those chapter titles with the same sort of intentionality that you would write a video or playlist title. So people who come along later and find your stream in the replay can find those chapters, understand at a glance what they're about, and jump into the discussion there. Those chapters can actually help you be discovered in Google search for specific portions of your video that might be relevant to a search query. Last but not least, tip number 5, don't be afraid to take those chapters later on and use them in social media posts. Let's say you talked about something in your live stream a half hour in that would be the perfect thing to post on Twitter. Grab that timestamp at that portion of your live stream and drop that time-aligned link right there at that spot so that anyone who clicks that link later on and finds that teaser interesting or something they may want to watch gets brought right into the middle of the discussion at that point, and they get served the exact thing they were looking at. It's a great way to bring people back to a discussion that they may have missed when it was happening. If you have any questions about anything I've discussed here, feel free to leave me a comment down below, and I promise I'll be back in to answer any of those questions later on. And if you're looking for the easiest way to start your live streaming experience today, click on the links below so that you can sign up for your free StreamYard account right now.